Travis here with Chaparral Motorsports, and here we sell two types of Maxima chain care kits. One with chain wax and the other one with a chain guard. I'm a motocross racer myself, so I prefer the synthetic chain guard. I'm gonna open this up, show you guys how to take care of your chain. So there's 3 easy steps. You clean the chain, you lube the chain, and then you're gonna guard the chain. First up, we're gonna clean the chain. We're gonna start with Maxima Cleanup. The Maxima Cleanup is gonna take all that grime, dirt, and gunk off of your chain when you get done with your moto. Make sure you shake the can really well before applying, and ensure that the entire chain is covered with the cleanup. Avoid getting heavy overspray on painted or anodized parts, as it could affect it. You let it stand for 1 minute and then rinse it off. If there's any heavy grime still on there, go ahead and spray it once again and repeat the process. Then we're gonna let it sit for 1 minute. You're gonna wanna spin the wheel as you pressure wash. Look at all that grime and junk coming off your chain. This stuff really does work good. Step number 2, which in my opinion is the most important. Spray MPPL as an intermediate lube. Make sure you wipe any excess off with a rag. In my opinion, when you pressure wash the chain, it gets water into areas that you might not even know about. So spraying the MPPL intermediate lube on is gonna help prevent rust, and it's also gonna push the water out of the spots that you're not gonna know about. Maxima believes most riders that wash their bike just put the bike into the garage after it's done. The MPPL ensures that moisture is pushed out of the chain and the pins, and it provides a barrier to fight off rust and corrosion. Step 3, lube your chain, which is my favorite step because it means I'm at the track and I'm getting ready to ride. I like to use the Maxima chain guard versus the chain wax. It's easier to clean off in my opinion. When you apply the lube onto the chain, make sure you spray it onto the inside of the chain, the portion that touches your sprocket. This will ensure a perfect barrier between the metal parts of the drivetrain. It'll also reduce the potential of any flinging. Let the bike sit for about 10 minutes so the chain lube can set in and you're ready to ride. Check the description below, as I'm gonna put a link to this chain care kit. You can also buy these individually. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, please do. You're gonna get a ton of cool videos like this on how-tos, as well as testimonials when I get out to the track. I'm Travis with Chaparral Motorsports, and I hope this helps you when it comes to taking care of your chain. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, hit the like button. We'll see you guys next time.